Hey y'all, it's Grace at LivingWell Realty. I am back here in Sandbrock Ranch to give an update on my client's beautiful house right behind me. As a reminder, this one is built by Highland Homes and it's Plan 297, Elevation D. It's a beautiful house and lots of progress, so let's go take a look. I love this exterior, so I wanted to take a second to appreciate it because their brick choice is beautiful, paired with the black windows and then the black roof. Just provides some really great contrast. So now that all of that is done, I just wanted to point that out because it looks beautiful, and my clients actually made all of those selections themselves. So this is not a spec home. They got to choose everything from the ground up, including their lot. So let's go take a look. All right, so as you can see, we have insulation and drywall. So this is when it starts to feel pretty real because you can clearly see each room. So I'm gonna take a right turn here and start in the office. So this is a really big room. As you can see, very clean. They must have recently come to clean it out. So we have some great windows. You can see all of the outlets. So my last video, you were able to see where all of that wiring was behind the walls. Then of course we have our floor plug. That is what this hole in the ground is right there. And then this wall kind of curves because right behind there is that beautiful curved staircase. So we will finish upstairs. Over here on the other side of the entryway is our formal dining room. Lots of windows, and once they get these cleaned, it's gonna look even brighter. I love these high ceilings. So many pretty archways too. It makes it look so elegant. So under here, this is just storage underneath the stairs. And then tucked behind here is actually a separate storage room. So there's gonna be a door. And so this little room is just additional storage. All right, and as you can see, we are in the living room now. Really high ceilings. So we are gonna have a beam up here, kind of that chapel ceiling. The sliders should be here anytime. They're coming from another country, so we are waiting for those. But we do have our fireplace, and then of course our electrical outlets. And you can see that they just installed the floor plug over here. So we told them just to put it where they would standard. So that is where that is. And then this giant space is going to be the kitchen. This floor plan is amazing for entertaining. So this right here is going to be the butler's pantry. And then separate walkways. Over here, as you can see, we'll have the refrigerator. And then all cabinets along this whole space. That big pipe sticking up is going to be for the vent. So that'll be where the gas cooktop is. And then of course, big island right here where you see this plumbing. So that is going to be for a sink, dishwasher, and then extra storage space. Pantry right here. And then this is that planning room, if y'all remember. So tons of windows in here, great little additional space to be a craft room, a little office space, prayer room, however y'all would need it. That's a great space to have. And then back here we have the guest room. So we do have 2 rooms on the main floor. So this one is a guest room, a couple windows looking out to that beautiful yard. And then the full bathroom. So not a ton of progress aside from, of course, insulation and drywall, but it's super helpful to see where things are now. And then over here, this is that laundry room. And we are also plumbed for a sink right under here. Nice big window. So let me give you a peek in the garage and then we'll go over to that primary suite. So this is the garage. So it is a 3-car tandem. So we have 2 bays up front, and then the third one is tucked back here with tons of extra storage space. We're gonna be pre-plumbed for water softener. And then we actually have a little step up right here. And I believe that step up was because of the lot. So not every floor plan like this will have that step up, but I think it is kind of nice, just for a little extra storage space, provide a little extra room. This is that mud bench, will be right in here, coming into the kitchen. And then I will give you a look at the primary. I love this patio. It's huge. So much space for entertaining. We have the gas stove over here on this corner and a huge lot because this is a 70-foot. And this is a beautiful north-facing lot, so we'll get lots of sun. Here is that primary. Look how beautiful this ceiling is. We have tons of windows and natural light. So this space right here is that extra little bump out, which makes a great sitting room, especially if you like to read and want to sit by the window, drink a cup of coffee. Beautiful space. Love the detail in the ceiling. And then over here is the primary bathroom. So they will be subbing out that window for one that has obscure glass, but then we'll have big freestanding tub right here, the sink, as you can see. Then over here on this side, we're gonna have another sink with an extra makeup counter. And then tucked through here under this little arch is going to be our shower. So we have the drop pan in here, and then this little window, get some natural light in there as well. And this closet, I think, was one of the reasons my clients wanted to buy this one, this floor plan, because look how much room. It's huge. And once they get cabinets in here, I think it might even feel bigger because you can really see how much storage space you get. We just have the water closet here. All right, so let's go take a look upstairs. As you can see, these are wired. So this one is gonna be switches, and then this will be for the thermostat. They'll usually have 2 separate ones, so one in the primary suite, because that is the space that you really want to be temperature controlled, and you want to know exactly, how you feel, make sure you feel comfortable. Whereas a living room might be harder to heat and cool just because of those high ceilings and it's such a big space. And then the other thermostat is gonna be upstairs in one of the guest rooms. Similar concept, you want it in a room where you feel comfortable and where it's easier to regulate the temperature. All right, so up this beautiful curved staircase, you can see it looks out to the living room. All right, then we have this fun little walkway to the half bath. And this floor plan, I love the upstairs because you have the game room, which is this big space. Great natural light. It's gonna be a desk, super fun for entertaining, as well as this playroom over here. Make sure that wasp doesn't get me. So you have this playroom, game room, and then the media room. So very versatile. Lots you could do with this space, especially if you want maybe a pool table, foosball table, some of those up here. Tons of places to use it, but then still have room for maybe a dry bar or just to walk around, hang out. So here is one of the 2 rooms upstairs that has the ensuite bathroom. And this room is at the back of the house, so you can see the backyard from here. We have that full bathroom. So the windows are covered with plastic, but I'll try to give you a quick little peek at the view. Very pretty. That's gonna be a great big yard. All right, then the other room up here is tucked around this corner, which feels nice and private for a guest. And then this one is on the side of the house. So you have a closet right here. And then the ensuite bathroom for this one is right over here. So great space. I believe the standard for up here is a Jack and Jill bathroom, but my clients chose to do the 2 ensuite bathrooms, which I definitely think is a great call, because if you have guests stay with you, it's so nice to have separate bathrooms for them. So definitely think that was a great call, and super exciting to see the house at this stage. The drywall is looking great, so they are gonna come in here, tape and bat, so they will, between these sheets of drywall, they're gonna tape that right there so that they stay together. And then after we get that done is when they will start to texture and then paint. So super exciting. Things always start to move really fast, especially after drywall. I love all of these details right here. All right, y'all, that is it for today. Thank you so much for watching this update. I'm super excited for these sweet clients. And as a reminder, if you are wanting to buy or build in Sandbrock Ranch or somewhere else, I would love to help you. So reach out to me. My information is below. And until then, y'all stay blessed.